Pregnant woman killed in double murder in Norwood, St. James. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A woman reported to be 4 months pregnant was shot and taken out along with her common-law husband after gunmen attacked them in the early hours of Saturday morning in Norwood, St. James. Initial reports are that Sue Pennicott, otherwise called Sue, and Barrington Clark, otherwise called Pepper, were murdered while in bed after gunmen invaded their home in Churchill Lane. It is reported that at around 3:50 a.m., the assailants made their entry by breaking down the door and then peppered the couple with bullets. They then escaped from the area. The mother of the four and her common-law husband were later found suffering from gunshot wounds. They succumbed to their injuries. The incident has left the area of Norwood tense. Family members were distraught as they tried to come to grips with the killing. A relative who was on the scene shared that Pennicott, who already was a mother of a 4-year-old, was hoping for a girl with her current pregnancy. The police are now continuing their probe into the matter, which occurred in a section of the community that falls under the zone of special operation that had been set up in the community since last year. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.